Top news headlines. Government of India and ASEAN IM talks to continue in New Delhi today. Ningol Chakoba celebrated with full fervour. After 5 days, Tamil Nadu child Sujit trapped in borewell declared dead. Good afternoon, you're watching the news today at 1 p.m. with me, Loving Rimai. Now the news in details. Interlocutor R.N. Ravi will likely hold back-to-back talks with the Working Committee of the 7 Naga national political groups and the ASEAN IM on Tuesday. A senior member of the Working Committee informed that its leadership was scheduled to formally sit down with Ravi on October 29 at 11 a.m. Talks between the Government of India and the ASEAN IM continued on October 28 without any breakthrough in the stalemate over the issue of separate Naga flag and constitution. It was the 4th formal sitting between Government of India interlocutor and Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi and the ASEAN IM collective leadership led by General Secretary T.H. Muiva since the political negotiations resumed on October 10 in New Delhi after a 2-month break, with reports rife of the Government of India stipulating October 31, 2019 as the deadline to conclude the 22-year-old political dialogue. A senior ASEAN IM leader commented that it would be unwise to specify deadlines. An online news agency reported on October 28 that the Government of India has decided to withdraw the October 31 deadline. Queried on this, the ASEAN IM leader maintained that the question of withdrawing deadline does not arise as there was no such assurance or official stipulation from the Government of India in the first place. He added that there was no announcement of deadline withdrawal at the meeting today. Ningol Chakoba, one of the biggest festivals of the state of Manipur, is being celebrated today with great fervour. It is celebrated on the 2nd day of the Manipuri lunar month of Hyanggai. Married sisters and daughters are invited to parental house for a grand feast to celebrate in the festival. In connection with the festival, the Directorate of Fisheries and Staff Manipur will organize a 1-day fish fair cum fish crop competition 2019 at DM College of Arts Ground, Imphal at 1 p.m. Fisheries Minister and Kayisi PDA Chairman T. Robindro Singh and linked Additional Chief Secretary Lakhogin Haukip will attend the opening function. Notably, the Manipur government announced October 30 as the official date for celebration of Ningol Chakoba, but many people celebrated today. United People's Front UPF and Indigenous Minority Organization Manipur today celebrated Ningol Chakoba with married women from both the hills and valley at Iboyaima Shumang Lila Shanglen, Imphal. Titular King of Manipur Leishemba Sanajoba attended the celebration. Apunba Nupi Lup Bishnupur also celebrated Ningol Chakoba festival at Kiamgai Ningsing Shanglen, Bishnupur district. Married women from Bishnupur, Kangpokpi, Senapati and Churachandpur were present at the event. India woke up to sad news on Tuesday morning when the efforts to save the 2-year-old boy trapped in a borewell at Nadukatupati village in Tiruchirappalli district of Tamil Nadu came to a tragic end when the rescue team pulled out the body of Sujit Wilson, media reported. His death ended the 82-hour-long rescue operation to a tragic end. Commissioner of Revenue Administration informed the media at 230 hours early this morning that the boy was dead. The rescue teams observed foul smell emanating from the borewell in which the boy was trapped at around 10:30 hours on Monday night, following which medical teams assessed the situation and announced that the boy was dead. The tunnel digging process was stopped immediately. The child's body was dismembered and in a highly decomposed state, he said. The body was handed over to his family after the post-mortem and taken to Nadukatupati village. We have a short commercial break now. Stay tuned for more updates.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yumpalabi, ahal oiraba imasing na setpayaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasimak lengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirangkhom Sawgaizam Lairak Machin, natraga aikoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Sunrise Enterprises. Buy any type of RO water purifier with heavy discount and get pre-filter free. Servicing of any type of domestic and commercial RO water purifier. Available all spare parts. For details, please contact Sunrise Enterprises, Major Khul near Community Hall, Thangal Bazaar. Open from 8:30 to 6:30 p.m. Mobile number 908-918-9371 or 9436-442-885. Or email us at rj_shn@hotmail.com. This Ningol Chakoba, Lamjingba Cab brings you an exclusive offer. Offer valid only for the first 100 bookings. For more details, please contact Lamjingba Cab, Lamjingba Group Building, Nagamapal Rims Road, opposite Nityananda Temple. Contact number 8794613154 or call our toll-free number 180010275959.
Welcome back after the break. A major fire destroyed a house last night at Sagolban Pukrambam Leirak in Imphal West. It is said the bursting of firecrackers triggered the blaze. Properties worth around Rs 4 lakh were destroyed in the house fire that occurred around 10 p.m. A team of Imphal police rushed to the site to take stock of the situation.
Kumai harau sida bambula je akoi ki culture ju nati bambula ji diko adugi Diwali ji akoi culture nati hoi lai oina ningbati ki sugai diko hien thawai auction ba hai tare ko sigumba maipok lang thok je ei tawhaning de adu bambula thabai culture mayam kan tawhalai je si tawhaning de si khatani soi de ngam dana imung da lai la chara ga ju adu mayam da disturb tawdana ko isa khatang nuai jaraga ingna chingna santi oina leibudo adu pam hajani.
A man was found dead at Nambol Laitonjam under Bishnupur district this morning. Identity of the deceased is yet to be ascertained according to a report. The U.S. ambassador to India, Kenneth I. Juster, on Monday said the U.S. would fund to upgrade more health centers with modern technologies in Arunachal Pradesh, media reports said. While speaking at the 7th Tawang Festival 2019 beginning on Monday, Juster said the U.S. has been funding Arunachal Pradesh in improving the health sector. Juster, who inaugurated the festival, said more health centers in the state will be upgraded with modern technologies so that proper and good health services are provided to the people. Saying that study on Arunachal would be quite interesting, Juster said the University of Florida collaborated with Arunachal Pradesh's Lone Central University, Rajiv Gandhi University for a combined research work. Speaking to a mammoth and enthusiastic crowd in the mystic and serene Tawang, the U.S. ambassador extended his gratitude to the people of the district for the exceptional hospitality offered to him and his entourage. The rise in water level due to rains in the area has affected train running since Sunday evening, resulting in many trains being diverted, cancelled or terminated from Monday, media reports said. The trains cancelled on Monday are Dibrugarh to Guwahati, Shatabdi Express, Dibrugarh to Rangia, Intercity Express, Mariani to Dimapur passenger, Tinsukia to Lumding passenger, one Guwahati to Naharlagun, Shaptadi Express Dimapur to Mariani passenger, while the Lumding to Tinsukia passenger will remain cancelled on Tuesday. Another short commercial break now. Do stay tuned. Hello, Tom.
Hey Lola, nang phone yaw bra?
Yaw eh,
Lamjing ba kep kau ne? Apang?
ay kauf tu re.
Manipuri ahan 24/7 service oiriba lamjingba cab service namyamgi seva tawjari.
Manipurgi district sing amadi mapal lam sing loina na luhongba amadi atay thogdok sing gisu discount pijari. Ningol chakubagi damak akhanaba hour package discount pijari. Ngasi mag book tobiu hena akupa marol gi damak lamjingba cab service Nagamapal Rims Road near Nitayananda Temple.
Koji Homestay koina chaturraga iyumda nungaina fothabiu lakliba festive season da hakchang phana nungaina celebrate tobiu rupees 4,999 gi phamung laiteng sing leibiu aduga rupees 999 gi apamba potchai lemna lobiu seasonaraba pillow sing pubira u anauba amana mahut sinbiu kaubiraganu langsin biraksi Koji Homestay Olympic Shopping Complex Dinku Road Imphal mobile number 9612732809.
Ningol Singi akanaba kumhai Ningol Chakobana lakpada Dhamabati Emporium na October kuntra fawba chada kuntra discount pizari. Akak naba matam khaktamak pizaba discount ne. Ningol Singi makhal kayagi fige, wangkai fi, rani fi, blouse, tops fi fanek na chingba makhal suna fangbiragani. Ngasi maglengsin biraksi Dhamabati Emporium, Ghari Makhalaikai near Pakang Baford. Contact number 7085-186-485 natraga 7005-946-596.
Welcome back. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and senior Shiv Sena leader and Minister for Transport Diwakar Raute Monday called on Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari separately to apprise him of the political developments in the state as per media reports, with Sena stuck on its demand for a 50-50 power sharing formula and the Chief Minister's post, the alliance partners are yet to formally stake claim to form the government. In the 288-strong Legislative Assembly, results for which were declared on October 24, BJP won 105 seats and its ally Shiv Sena 56. The BJP on its part is willing to offer the post of Deputy Chief Minister and the revenue portfolio, an important ministry that handles all land-related issues in the state. It has been 4 days since the results, but the pre-poll alliance partners continue to be engaged in the war of nerves, reaching out to independents and rebels to further consolidate their strength. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday reached Riyadh city to attend the third Future Investment Initiative Forum, according to media reports. He is on a day trip to the nation. Modi was greeted by the governor of Riyadh, Prince Faisal bin Bandar Al Saud. Modi will attend other programs during his visit to the country. Now let's take a look at the sports news. Saina will be looking to add to her title wins for the year, which her last victory coming way back in January at the Indonesia Masters, media said. Top seed in the women's singles category, 29-year-old Saina will start her campaign against Germany's Fabienne Deprez. She is also one of only 2 players in the draw who are ranked within the top 10 of the world rankings. The other is Olympic champion Carolina Marin, who acts incidentally as the player Saina beat in the final of the Indonesia Masters when the Spaniard pulled out due to an injury. Saina had broken a string of first-round exits at the French Open by reaching the quarterfinal, where she lost to Korea's teen star and eventual champion An Se-young. Marin also suffered at the hands of Young, losing to the 17-year-old in the final and settling for a second-place finish in Paris. Now let's take a look at the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Government holds another round of talks with NSC and IM. No meeting point on separate flag, constitution, candlelight vigil prays for peace. Ibobi reiterates stand of Congress. Yet another alert rally staged under Kokomi. The People's Chronicle. Naga talks. Separate flag, constitution remains sticking point. Naga legislators must clear stance, says NNPGs. Centre softens stand on October 31st deadline. Congress petitions Prime Minister. O Ibobi warns stir. Kukumi appeals to cease work. Protest on October 31st. The Morning Bell. Kukumi announces 20 hours total shutdown on October 31st. Manipur will decide political relation with India if talk affects state integrity. Congress submits memo to Prime Minister, ready for series of action if peace talks affects integrity, says Ibobi. NEDF expresses concern over possible violence due to peace talk. One arrested for threatening and extortion activities. Many trains cancelled in Assam due to rise in water level. Imphal Free Press. Naga talks may continue beyond October 31st. PDA appeals for early acceptable solution. Kokomi announces mass cease work public protest on October 31st. Protests against state disintegration continue. Candlelight vigil held for inclusive solution of Naga peace talks. Tamai Tamelong road cut off following landslide. Manipur Mail. Congress wants Prime Minister to consult all to reach agreement with Naga insurgents. Naga hold candlelight vigil, prayer. Chief Minister wants to meet social media groups.
Before we wind up the top news headlines once again. Government of India, NSC and IM talks to continue in New Delhi today. Ningol Chakoba celebrated with full fervor. After 5 days, Tamil Nadu child Sujit trapped in borewell declared dead. Times of Manipur Television wishes you a very happy Ningol Chakoba. Well, that will be all for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.